Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will tell you how to write note making by giving examples. If you don't know what is note making and what all points we must keep in mind while writing notes, then check out my previous video. Link is in the description box. What all steps you must keep in mind while making notes? First step is a thorough reading of the given passage is needed to follow what the subject matter of the given passage is. मतलब सबसे पहले पैसेज को अच्छे से रीड करो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज अंडरलाइन कीवर्ड्स और phrases that you would like to note or recall from the passage. These should not include explanations or examples but कोर आइडियाज एंड फैक्ट्स. मतलब जब आप रीडिंग कर रहे होगे तब ध्यान रखना कि उसी टाइम कीवर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस को अंडरलाइन कर लो और पूरे सेंटेंसेस या एक्सप्लेनेशंस को या एग्जांपल्स को इंक्लूड मत करना, बल्कि जो कोर आइडियाज एंड फैक्ट्स हैं उनको इंक्लूड करना. Next step is include subpoints to elaborate a main point. These will enlarge the knowledge base without being verb based. मतलब सब points को include करना ताकि main point को elaborate कर सको. Next step is follow the format laid down for note making so that the points remain legible and understandable at the end of the exercise. मतलब note making का format follow करना ताकि आपके points clear and legible लगे और easily reader समझ सके. Now look at the solved example of note making. Read the passage given below. Getting enough sleep is as important as taking time out to relax. A good night's sleep is essential for preserving the health of your brain and gives you the best chance to meet the coming day with a razor sharp mind. An average person needs about 6 to 8 hours sleep a night, although it is also true that you need slightly less than this as you grow older. Another advantage of aging: stress and sleep deprivation often feed on each other. Since stress tends to make it harder for you to fall asleep at night, and sleep deprivation in itself causes stress. Eventually, too little sleep can dramatically interfere with the performance of your memory, something you obviously want to prevent. If you are not getting enough sleep, try going to bed 30 to 60 minutes earlier than your normal bedtime for a few days. Lie down on the bed and try to relax by dissociating yourself from your daily routine work. This is normally enough to catch up on any sleep deprivation. If, however, you suffer from insomnia, you should seek the advice of your doctor. The chances are it is already affecting your ability to remember and recall information. And if you are struggling to improve your memory scores, this could be at the root of your problem. Prolonged periods of insufficient sleep can deplete your immune system, make you more accident prone, and even cause depression. This can also reinforce a more negative outlook on life, which can contribute to your stress burden. The good news is that your memory and mood should automatically improve once you improve your sleep patterns. Tackle your sleep issues, and everything else should fall into place. Because stress management is so essential to maximize your brain power, if you are not in the habit of setting aside time to relax, make it a priority to do so. Even a minute or two of deep breathing can start to work wonders. Often, the best ideas and memories can come to you when you are in a state of relaxation, as it is during these moments that your brain stores, processes, and plays with the information it has received. Meditation has long been part of religious and spiritual life, especially in Asia. Today, more and more people are adopting it in Western countries also for its value in developing peace of mind and lowering stress. There is some evidence that regular meditation can have real sleep gain and health benefits, particularly in terms of protecting your brain against aging. So this was the passage. Now we have to answer the following questions. First question is, on the basis of your understanding of the above passage, make notes on it using headings and subheadings. Use recognizable or abbreviations wherever necessary, minimum 4, and a format you consider suitable. Also supply an appropriate title to it. मतलब पैसेज जब हमने रीड कर लिया, अब उसके बेसिस पे नोट्स बनाने हैं हेडिंग्स एंड सब हेडिंग्स का यूज़ करके, प्लस एब्रीविएशंस लिखनी है जहाँ पॉसिबल हो, और मिनिमम 4 होनी चाहिए. टाइटल भी देना है पैसेज का. फर्स्ट हेडिंग इज प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ स्लीप डिप्रिवेशन. अब इसके सब हेडिंग्स हैं लैक ऑफ अ गुड नाइट्स स्लीप. अब अगेन इसकी सब हेडिंग्स हैं, मतलब इसके अंडर आएंगे affects our health and mind, is a problem of aging stress, causes mental problem, interferes with performance of our memory. Next subheading is good memory and mood. इसकी subheading है need good sleep, can improve your immune system, help to have your positive outlook on life, can save you from insomnia. Next थर्ड सब हेडिंग इज रेगुलर मेडिटेशन. इसकी सब हेडिंग्स हैं हैज़ हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स, ब्रिंग्स अबाउट गुड स्लीप, helps reducing stress, empowers your religious and sports life. Title of these notes is Meditation Cures Stress and Insomnia. Now the most important part is the key. जितनी भी abbreviations यूज़ की हैं वो इस की में आएंगी. PRBLM is problem, INTRFRS is interferes, plus VE is positive, ABT is about. Next part of the passage is write a summary of the above passage in about 100 words. अब हमें सेकंड पार्ट में हमें समरी लिखनी है जो नोट्स हमने बनाए थे उससे. लेट्स बिगिन. Stress and sleep deprivation is a major problem for sound health and sound mind. So, it interferes with the performance of our memory and immune system. It also reinforces our negative outlook and bad mood. So, our best ideas and memories can come to us only if we have good sleep and stress free life. In fact, stress management can maximize our brain power. Hence, the hour of need is to practice meditation in order to solve the issue of stress and sleep deprivation. Above all, meditation is a bliss to gain health benefits and religious and spiritual life. So, this was the first example of note making. If you want some more examples, then do let me know in the comments section, or you can email me or DM me on Instagram. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Thank you.